Hello, my dear friends. This is Rajesh Mohapatra. I hope all of you are doing well and happiness. In this session, I will guide you how do you create a new free-tier GCP account, and I explain more details about step by step wise for this session. Let's get started. Hey guys, I will guide you how do you create a new free-tier account in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, as you can see here, first of all just you visit to that GCP website as I mentioned here, then click on the get started for free button, and then click for the sign or create a good Google Cloud account, but you need a Gmail ID, that is mandatory guys. Agree to the terms and condition and set up your GCP project and enable the free trial, and providing the billing information and verify your account, and then access your GCP console, but it will take 24 hours to activate your account after all the process successful completed. It means Google Cloud team will verify your account, then they will be what after verification they will be send email for you, and just go through your email account and just click for the console page, then automatically it will be activate for your GCP free tier account. Then you will start the practice for Google Cloud. Guys, let's navigate to the the website page, so that I will guide you how do you create a new free tier account on GCP. Guys, as you can see here, this is the GCP website, and now just you have to click get started for free. Guys, now now you have to select your country. My country is India. Then you are from Canada, Australia, Europe and blah blah. Then just you have to select your country. Then just select for your others guys. Suppose you have a large company, startup, business idea, helping clients to use cloud, then you have to select based on the requirement. But as a student, just you have to select other here. Then you have to click for the terms of service selected here, then click continue. Guys, then you have to select for the account type, like as a student, just you have to select for the individual, then you have to add your credit card number, blah blah. Then then after that you have to fill your the addresses, and then you have to start my free trial account. Then automatically it will be navigate to the payment page. Guys, as you can see here, the tax information, like the just you have to select for register individual here, then click the start my free trial account here guys. But already I have a free trial account, so yeah, so then this is the main step guys. Only one step, just you have to add for your credit card or debit card CVC number, then automatically 2 rupees debited from your account. Then after verification for Google Cloud team, they will be reward back for you, and then you have to successfully create a free trial account.